Over 250 billion US dollars are being invested on paid search ad media. Google, Bing. These are the two houses that dominate the paid search media. But which one is going to be right for you? Well, there's a lot of factors, but here are a few tips from Florence and Robinson's for you to consider. Digital advertising has a lot of factors in it. One would be the demographics, audience targeting, reach, your ad budget, your conversion rate, and also your average position in terms of your organic search results. Talking about reach, Google is the leader. How? Because 76% of market share of search engines is from Google. And also, in partnership with Display Network and Search Network, your ad could be having a possibility to reach over 90% of digital users across the globe. Second, demographics. Audience targeting is one of the integral part of ad media. And when it comes to demographics, one thing stands out, that's its location, and another second close to it is the age of your target audience. Now, if you want your ad to become popular across the globe, then we would recommend that you choose Google Ads because it has a great partner network, greater reach across the globe, and its most preferred digital search engine. But if your target audience are living in United States or Canada, Bing could do a better job in bringing you that revenue on ad spend. It has a greater reach in these two countries. Talking about the age demographics, Bing users were relatively much mature in age when compared to Google digital users. Digital users were over 35 years of age, while Google users were relatively young. And it was also reported that Bing users were usually from a higher income group, which would mean that most of them were having an annual salary of over $100,000. This would also mean indirectly that my ad is going to have a higher conversion rate in United States or Canada if I'm going to choose Bing ads as my medium of advertising. The third factor would be the cost. What is your ad spend budget? Google's cost per click was on an average close to about $2 to $3 per click. But when it came to Bing ads, clicks as inexpensive as close to 50 cents were reported. This would mean that Bing ads were relatively little inexpensive as compared to Google ads. Conversion rate. Google had a slightly better margin in terms of conversion rate. It was close to about 3.23%, while Bing ads reported 2.50%. But these average conversion rates were way different when it came to analyzing the industrial types of the ad media. An e-commerce website or a travel and a hospitality website would have the lowest conversion rate both on Google and on Bing. The average conversion rate of an e-commerce website is close to about 1.16% in both Google and Bing. That would mean out of 1,000 impressions, you would receive just hundreds of conversions. However, consumer services in terms of plumbing, beauty salons, legal services, employment services, financial services like banking and loans had typically an average conversion rate of close to about 5%. Finally, we're talking about the average position of your business or your client in the organic search media. A lot of companies, more specifically the digital marketing companies, try to use paid ads to get on top of the search results, primarily because they aren't ranking for organic results. While this may prove to be a little profitable in a short time, but over a long term, say about 3 to 6 months, it's going to just drain your budget. Revenue on ad spend would become much lower if you're going to just trust the paid search media. So one way to get past this is to use Google for your advantage. Try to produce great content that brings value to customers. Great relevant content does not only help you to get higher organic ranking, it also helps you get a better quality score both in Google and Bing. I think a great content that is ranked higher organically on Google is very important because referral websites like Bing and Yahoo pick it up from Google. So invest time and resources as much as you invest time on advertisements. Remember, a great relevant content is the king of search engine marketing. Summing it up, Google Ads works really well in terms of greater reach, target audience across the globe, better ad budget conversion rate, better ROAS, and also good data analytics that can be integrated with Data Studio, Google Analytics to understand your target audience demographics and behaviors. Bing ads score really well if you are on a tight budget, if your targeting audience are specifically in US and Canada, and the age group demographics of your target audience are about 35 years, and also a very niche, rich audience who earn about $100,000. There is no just one right thing to do. Depending on your campaign objectives, choose Google versus Bing. Follow us on our LinkedIn page, Florence and Robinson's Creations, for more ideas and tricks of the business of digital marketing. We have a lot to talk about in terms of paid search and search engine optimization. So do follow us.